everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about spring mix, and I have a list of foods broken up into different categories that are known to pair well with spring mix. So if you're looking for something a little different to do with it, meal ideas, recipe ideas, hopefully this list will help you out. In the proteins category, that includes legumes, nuts, and seeds. We have almonds, beans in general. Basically any type of bean will go well with spring mix. Beef, chicken, chickpeas, eggs, hazelnuts, lentils, nuts in general, especially toasted nuts, pine nuts, pistachios, pork, poultry, pumpkin seeds, seafood, sesame seeds, sugar snap peas, sunflower seeds, tahini, tofu, walnuts. Basically anything you want to mix with spring mix will go with it. In the vegetables category, there's beets, bell peppers, broccoli, cabbage, carrots, celery, chilies, chives, cucumbers, fennel, jicama, leeks, mushrooms, onions, potatoes, radishes, scallions, shallots, sprouts, summer squash, and tomatoes. In the fruits category, we have apples, avocados, blackberries, cranberries, as in dried cranberries, lemons, limes, mangoes, oranges, pears, pomegranates, and raisins. In the grains and grain products category, there's corn and corn chips, croutons, quinoa, rice, and wheat. In the dairy and non-dairy products category, there's cheese, in particular blue cheese, brie, cheddar, goat, gorgonzola, and Parmesan cheeses. In the other foods category, there's honey, mayonnaise, mustard as in prepared mustard, oil, for instance flaxseed oil, grapeseed oil, and olive oil, salad dressings of any sort, tamari and vinegar, especially balsamic, red wine, sherry, and white wine vinegars. I do hope this helps. Bye for now.